Parque Biológico de Gaia is rumored to be a great place to spend some time with a kid, so naturally we wanted to check it out. I like it so far. I like that there are no exotic animals, like lions and these things are not like from this region. You can walk around and see them. They have like a bit of space. Luca seems to like it, so let's see what else we can find. Luca! Opa!
Pai, eu quero ir aqui.
And he wants to go everywhere. He shouldn't go.
Pai, pai.
I just saw the most weird bird. He had very long legs and I was sure that he just had one leg. And actually he has both. Not very good observing. Everyone was saying, no, it has two. No, it has one. Look at it.
What is this?
You are entering a zone of loose animals everywhere. Dangerous zone.
These things are quite nice. They used to dry corn here long ago. I don't think they do it anymore, but it sure looks cool. And it's also nice to be able to enjoy these things as we have 4 extra hands helping out, so you're not running after Lucas all the time. It's just really nice because usually it's just the 2 of us and he's always asking like, what is this, and this, here, daddy, come here. So it's not our usual visit, as look, I can just relax. Let's move on.
I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time.
We have just finished. It's super dark already, so we really should have come a bit early, but nice. Very cool place. In the end, like I think the last quarter or so, we didn't see much of it. It was just too dark. So yeah, come a bit earlier.
We did it!
Did everything that you thought you should. Did it seem to do you any good?